Right now, at this very moment, something invisible is tearing through the wires in your walls at nearly the speed of light. It's powering the screen you're staring at. It's keeping your coffee warm. It's running the servers that hold your entire digital life. We call it electricity. And most people have no idea how it actually works. Let's fix that. Everything, your chair, your phone, your body, is made of atoms. Tiny, mostly empty little things with a nucleus in the middle and electrons orbiting around them. Most of the time, atoms are calm, balanced, happy. But some atoms, especially in metals like copper, hold their outer electrons very loosely. So loosely that those electrons can just wander off, drift from atom to atom like tourists with no plan. This is called a free electron. And when you have trillions of them moving together in the same direction, that's electric current. But they don't just move on their own. You need something to push them. That push is called voltage. Think of voltage like water pressure in a pipe. Higher pressure, harder the water flows. Same idea. Higher voltage, more push on the electrons. Now, the wire those electrons travel through isn't a perfect highway. It resists the flow. This resistance is, you guessed it, called resistance, measured in ohms. And here's where it all comes together in one beautiful equation. Ohm's law. Voltage equals current times resistance. V equals I times R. That's it. The foundation of almost everything electrical. There are two ways electricity flows. Direct current, DC, moves one direction only. Batteries. Simple, steady, reliable. Alternating current, AC, switches direction 50 to 60 times per second. Your wall outlets. Sounds chaotic, but it's more efficient over long distances. That's why AC won the war of currents in the 1880s. A very real, very dramatic battle between Edison and Tesla. Tesla won. AC powers the world. So the next time you flip a light switch, remember, you just commanded trillions of electrons to march through copper wire, push through a filament or LED, and convert their kinetic energy into light. All in about a millisecond. Electricity isn't magic. It's physics. And now, you know how it works.